This is Tom from Halcyon Technologies. I'm gonna show you real quick on the DVR or NVR how to back up an event, how to lock an event, and if needed back it up to a flash drive. So I'm right now in the playback interface and I'm gonna play a random event, and let's say this car is driving by and I want to back up this file. So first thing, I'm gonna pause the video. So you need to be in pause mode, and on the left side I'm gonna click on lock file. Now once I clicked one time on lock file, this file that have this event, that the event is part of this file, gonna be locked and never gonna be rewrite on. So this file gonna be staying in the DVR forever unless it's gonna be unlocked. Now after you lock the file, you're gonna click on this button, File Manager, and here you can actually see the file that are locked. Now if you want to unlock this file, you're just gonna go to this lock, click on it, and you're gonna click on yes to unlock the file, and then it's gonna be rewrite on. But as long as this file is in this list, it's gonna stay locked. Now if you want to back up this file, all you need to do is to put a flash drive into the USB of the recorder, mark the locked file. You can mark one file, you can mark more of the files, and then you're gonna click on export. Now I don't have any USB devices in this DVR right now, but it's gonna show on the device type USB, on the device name USB flash drive. You're just gonna select it. It's gonna be the only device once you connected, and here you select the file type. Usually MP4 gonna be compatible with most cell phone and computers. If not, you can try AVI. It's a standard H.264 compression. If it's an older computer, usually you might need to download the codec and install on the computer, but on most computers it might work. Well, after you selected the file type and the device, you're gonna click on export and it's gonna be copied to your USB drive. That's it. Thank you very much for watching.